अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। कृष्ण हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम कृष्ण हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे राम राम हरे हरे। ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनामिने गौरत्विषे भक्त्या विहीनाय अपराधलक्ष्यै चेत्त्वास्य कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयी त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दे। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया सर्वोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तन्मे माम चरणं। Yesterday I told about the reasons, the causes of Krishna coming. Why Krishna came? For what things? He came in the jail of Kans from the womb of Devaki as a Vasudev, and in the same night, same time, he came in the womb of Jashoda, from the womb of Jashoda Devi. But it was so hidden. There are so many explanations that Jashoda Devi has given birth of Krishna. It has been told that Krishna always lives in Mathura, and also in the same time it has been written, Vrindavanam parityajya padamekam na gacchami. In any case, in any way, I cannot leave Vrindavan for a moment. And in the also we see that he always lives in Vrindavan. He also lives in Dwarka, never leaves Dwarka. We will have to reconcile. How? Jashodanandan, the Brajesh Nandan, always being in Vrindavan. So when Krishna was in Mathura, he came 400. It means that he was like Narayan. No. Having so much affluence. When Devaki and Vasudeva prayed Krishna that you should be like a child, otherwise Kans will come and he may kill you, thinking that, oh, he is Vishnu, has appeared. Krishna smiled and became a child. How he became? The boy who has taken birth from the womb of Jashoda, he came and took this 400 in him, and both were mixed. Aishwarya Krishna mixed in Madhurya Krishna. But an argument may come that Vrindavan Krishna, he never leaves
the boundaries of Vrindavan.
Yes. Then it has been also started like this, or Goswamis has written. Then when Vasudeva take 400 Krishna and he became child, sometimes in Mathura and Dwarka 400, sometimes in 200. So when he became like 200, Vasudeva took him, and when he came in the midst of Jamuna, that is the border of Gokul, Vrindavan and Mathura, from there he
dropped.
In Jamuna he took his feet to Jamuna. Jamuna was flowing. And the water came like this to Vasudeva, Krishna, and he took Krishna on his head, on a
basket.
Krishna took his feet from the basket, lowered down, and it was touched to Jamuna. Jamuna was subsided again. At that time, Vasudeva Nandan, through Jamuna, he was there in Mathura. And that Gokul, Krishna, that is the son of Jashoda, from there he went with Vasudeva ji in his basket. Vasudeva Nandan cannot go cross that in towards Vrindavan. So anyone could not saw, but reality was this. From there he went to Gokul and he slept there, and he took the baby and returned to. This is more applicable. Why? When Akru took Baldev and Ram from Nandagaon, Braja, he came to Jamuna, near Jamuna. In Jamuna there was a Brahma Hrada, a part of Jamuna, and it was now evening. So he kept Krishna Balram on the chariot, and he went to take bath and to do Anhik, Sandhya. So when he was taking bath, he drowned in the Jamuna Hrada. At once they came there. Who? Devaki Nandan, Ram and Krishna from Mathura, there in the midway of Jamuna, because she is the borderline. And Jashodanandan Krishna and Rohini Nandan Ram, always living in Vrindavan, they returned from there. They disappeared. Akrur could not think that how it became. He saw that Krishna Baldev is here, and he was saying that he is there also. How it became? He could not reconcile anything. He began to pray like this, and in the end everything was done. Krishna and Baldev, Rohini Nandan and Krishna Jashoda Nandan returned from there, and Krishna and Baldev of Devaki Vasudeva, they returned to Mathura. No? So it is more applicable. Understand my view? This is the view of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur he has given. No? So always, eternally, Krishna is the son of Nanda and Yashoda, and eternally son of Vasudeva and Devaki, but partly and fully. Where fully?
Yashoda and Nanda.
In Gokul. And partly because Narayan is the Vaibhav of Krishna. Understand? Is Vaibhav.
Expansion with a slight change of
Yes,
form in the future.
slight change. So, he is also Krishna. So, our Goswamis has reconciled this fact like this. In Vrindavan, any demon cannot enter. But how Putana came? How Putana came? He sees the demon. There are two Vrindavan. One Golok Vrindavan and other is Bhaum Vrindavan. Also Gokul are same. There also Gokul, also here Gokul. But this Gokul in Vrindavan where we are seeing now, it is called Bhaum Gokul, Bhaum Vrindavan, Bhaum Braja. Bhaum Mathura. Bhaum means related to earth. And that is called Golok Vrindavan. Both are same. But sometimes when Krishna disappears, we cannot see Krishna and his pastimes in Vrindavan not so beautiful as at the time of Krishna. Here demons can come by the order of Yog Maya. Anyone, general person can see Krishna, no harm. But in Golok Vrindavan, only liberated persons having so much prem, snehaman, pranay, and they can go there eternally. Otherwise they cannot go there. Here there are some difference. Sometimes Krishna comes, sometimes Krishna is not seen here. But they are always seen, always served. There is not so much separation. Only for 4 months or 3 months we can see that he has gone to Mathura and Dwarka. But actually, not. And here we see that Krishna went to Mathura and Dwarka. Forever he never returned. Only we see, and we calculate by any examples that Krishna came after the death of Dantavakra. And he took in all Brajavasi who went to Golok Vrindavan. So, any demon cannot come. Where? In Golok Vrindavan. But in this Prakat Vrindavan, Prakat means Bhaum Vrindavan, Bhaum Gokul, by the arrangement of Yog Maya, why? To renew the love and affection of all Brajavasi in Nitya Naveen. Nitya Naveen means?
Renew.
Renew.
Eternally
New. If Krishna is son of Yashoda, no harm. But when he will always in the lap of Yashoda, taking the milk, and Yashoda is also loving him, then she may neglect Krishna. Sometimes he will rebuke and tell that I don't want to take.